Yes, good morning students. Then today we discuss about halogen containing compound. It is very interesting chapter and very easy chapter also. Then these are very important concept. In this one, the first concept is haloalkanes. These haloalkanes are basically following types: monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes, trihaloalkanes, carbon tetrachloride. So now let us we discuss monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkane means it contain only one halogens. It contain only one halogens are called monohaloalkanes. These monohaloalkanes are three type, that is one primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. So what is the formula of primary alkyl halide? So this is RCH2X. This is primary alkyl halide. This is primary alkyl halide RCH then R1. This is secondary alkyl halide. Tertiary means R, C, here X, R1, this is R2, this is tertiary alkyl halide. That means this CH2 is surrounding one alkyl group, this alkyl halide is surrounding two alkyl groups, here it is surrounding three alkyl groups are called primary, secondary, tertiary. Now let us how to prepare that alkyl halide. How to prepare this alkyl halide? So that monohaloalkane means it is only monohaloalkanes. Is the these are contain one halogen, one halogen, one halogens. So now methods of preparation of these alkyl halides. Methods of preparation of alkyl halide. So these methods of preparation of alkyl halide which can be prepared from following method. Then first one, addition reactions of alkene. Addition reactions of alkene. So this is first one, addition reactions of alkene. Addition reactions of alkene. Here alkene means it is a unsaturated hydrocarbon, that means carbon carbon double bond. So this are one is that react to HX. What happen in the HX? So here HX just you have to remember like this, R CH double bond CH2 that react to HX. This H is formed H plus and X minus. This minus is goes to this side, hydrogen is this side, double bond is single bond, simply like this, R CH X then CH3. So this is what is this nothing but Markovnikov rule. Second one reaction is anti-Markovnikov rule, that is same thing HX but in the presence of peroxide. In the presence of peroxide, if there in the peroxide, that are called anti-Markovnikov rule. Simply like this, R CH double bond CH2, that in the presence of, in case HBr, to get what happen H plus and Br minus, H plus Br minus, but this minus is migrate this side, hydrogen this side, but this equation in the presence of peroxide, that peroxide means that is H2O2, to get what happen R CH2 CH2Br. So its name is 1-bromo alkane. So this is addition reactions from alkene. These addition reactions from alkene, one is Markovnikov rule and second one is anti-Markovnikov rule. The next one, nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol. Nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol. Second one is nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol. It is very important concept, that is nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol. Nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol. So now this nucleophilic addition, today we completely discuss this nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol. So we will give a good technique for this one. So these equations are basically following type. Then first one, in this one, first react with to HCl. That means nucleophilic addition reaction is ROH, that react with to HCl to get what happen, RCl plus H2O. So this water will be removed. Now second equation is react to KBr, and B1 is react to, sometime is KBr or right, okay, KBr. So what happened in this KBr? This is alcohol react to KBr to get what happened, KOH is removed to get RBr plus KOH. At the same time, next one is PCl3. Third one is PCl3, ROH, this is alcohol, that react to PCl3 to get what happen, RCl. So here RCl plus POCl3. So what happen here, R contain here, phosphorus contain, but it is not above equation is balanced. So how to write that equation? So all when phosphorus trichloride is there, you have to take 3 moles. So like this is ROH. Now take 3 moles of alcohol, that react to phosphorus trichloride to get what happen, RCl. Now take 3 moles. Take 3 moles plus 3 moles of this one plus POCl3 plus HCl. POCl3 plus HCl. So in whatever may be that condition, when alcohol is there, that react to phosphorus trichloride to get this compound is formed. The next one, fourth one is phosphorus pentachloride. I think this one C. Then D1 is phosphorus pentachloride. Now in every condition that phosphorus pentachloride is there, like this compound is formed. D is phosphorus pentachloride. So what happened, this one ROH that react with to phosphorus pentachloride to get RCl plus HCl. So this is RCl plus H3PO3. So this is pentachloride, ROH react to phosphorus pentachloride to get, so this is only for here H3PO3, just in this one H3PO3, but here RCl that react to phosphorus pentachloride to get ROH to get RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. In every condition it will be from these equations only. So what is addition reactions of alkene? So just you have to remember what happened, Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule that react to HX to get it is less number of hydrogen to get negative charge and more number of hydrogen to get attack positive charge. This anti-Markovnikov rule is nothing but peroxide. Anti-Markovnikov rule is nothing but peroxide. So it is the simply reverse of that Markovnikov rule. That's why this is secondary haloalkane, this is primary haloalkane. Next one, nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol. These are basically following type, that react to HCl to get formation of alkyl halide, react to KOH to get RBr. it is formed only primary alkyl halide PCl3, alcohol react with PCl3 to get RCl, RCl plus H3PO3, phosphorus pentachloride, alcohol react with phosphorus pentachloride to get alkyl chloride. After that PbR3. Next one is D1. So, what is D? In this equation D1 is Ki, D is Ki that react to potassium iodide, alcohol react to potassium iodide. Now, what happened this one? ROH, ROH that react to Ki to get Ri, plus KOH, KOH. So, this is alkyl halide is formed only primary. The next one PbR3, PbR3 and Pi3. F1 is PbR3, PbR3. What happened for this one? ROH that react to PbR3 to get RBr. It is from only primary alkyl halide. It is from only primary alkyl halide. Next one Pi3, Pi3. So, what happened in this Pi3? This is ROH that react to Pi3 to get Ri. It is also from primary alkyl halide. Then ESOCl2, ESOCl2. It is very important. SOCl2. This is ROH, ROH that react to SOCl2 to get RCl plus SO2 plus HCl, ESO2 plus HCl. In every condition, if SOCl2 is there, like this equation is formed. The next after then Raidon's method, HI, that is Raidon's method, Raidon's method. It is very interesting equation and very important equation for all competitive level. Raidon method equation formula is C6H5O taken thrice, O taken thrice, P is followed by X2, P is followed by X2. So, what is the Raidon's method? Now, that is, so this is nucleophilic substitution reactions of alcohol. Nucleophilic substitution reactions of alcohol contain one react to HCl, alcohol react to HCl, alcohol react to KBr, alcohol react to PCl3, alcohol react to PCl5, then alcohol react to Ki, alcohol react to PbR3 and Pi3, ESOCl2. The next one Raidon's method. So, what is the meaning of this Raidon's method? So, this is I, Raidon's method, Raidon's method. So, Raidon method or Raidon reaction. So, it is its equation is C6H5, C6H5O taken thrice P and X2. So, this is alcohol. Alcohol formula is ROH that in the presence of Raidon's method, that is C6H5O taken thrice P, this one C6H5O taken thrice P and X2 to get what happen? RX is formed, to get RX. So, like this compound is formed to get RX plus X P C6H5O taken twice plus C6H5OH. This is very important equations of Raidon's method, very important equations of Raidon's method. So, now what is that Raidon method? So, this Raidon method is, so it contains 3 moles of C6H5O taken thrice P. C6H5O taken thrice P to get alkyl halide is formed, to get alkyl halide. So, that alkyl halide ka formula is RX plus XP C6H5O taken twice and phenol. So, that is C6H5OH. So, that formulas are called Reidon's method. This is completely nucleophilic substitution reactions of alcohol. After this nucleophilic substitution reactions of alcohol is free radical reactions. Next one, third one is free radical reaction. Third one is free radical reaction. These free radical reactions, free radical reactions. These free radical reactions means when methane is methane that react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get monochloromethane. So, like this methane CH4 methane react to X2 in the presence of sunlight, or in some time here X2 if you write chlorine, in the presence of sunlight, to get what happen CH3Cl plus HCl is formed, CH3Cl plus HCl. Now, again that CH3Cl that react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get CH2Cl2 plus HCl. This is dichloromethane. Then again that dichloromethane CH2Cl2 that react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight, to get chloroform. That chloroform formula is CHCl3, then HCl. Then that chloroform CHCl3 react to chlorine in the presence of what happen sunlight to get carbon tetrachloride plus HCl. Simply this equation, simply methane react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get monochloromethane, react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get dichloromethane, react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get trichloromethane, react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get carbon tetrachloride. At the same time this one more, this is I think Roman number 1, another one also there, that is methane, simply RH, you have to write RH, simply RH, this is methane, RH nothing but methane that react to SO2, something SO2Cl2, to get, we already discussed where SOCl2 like that, to get RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Now, I am writing different for this one CH4. Now, simply little bit change of this equation CH4 that react with SO2Cl2 to get what happen CH3Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. This is first one, addition reactions of alkene. Just you have to remember what is Markovnikov rule, what is anti-Markovnikov rule. After that, nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol. These nucleophilic addition reactions of alcohol is basically following type, that is react to HCl, react to KBr, react to PCl3, PCl5, PBr3, Pi3, SOCl2, Reidon's method, like that. Then after that, what happen, free radical reactions, methane react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get monochloromethane, that monochloromethane react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get dichloromethane, this dichloromethane react to chlorine in the presence of sunlight to get trichloromethane is nothing but chloroform, this react to chlorine to get carbon tetrachloride. Then another one, alkane, hydrocarbon, alkane react to SOCl2 to get alkyl halide is formed. The next one is, fourth equation is very important equation, that is Borodin-Hunsteker reaction. Borodin-Hunsteker reaction. Borodin-Hunsteker reactions. This Borodin-Hunsteker reaction, what happen? Silver sulfur acid that react to X2, that nothing but Cl2 or Br2, to get alkyl halide is formed. That equations are called Borodin-Hunsteker reaction. So, I am telling you again, silver sulfur acid silver salts of acid that react to X2. Silver salt RCOOAg, silver salts of acid that react to X2, where X2 is nothing but Cl2 or Br2. To get alkyl halide is formed, that is Rx plus CO2 plus AgAX. This is Borodin-Hunsaker reactions. Silver salts of acid that react with X2 in the presence of carbon tetrachloride to get alkyl halide. Now I am using different equation is there. For example, in this example of for this one, very excellent equations. For example, where carboxylic acid is directly converted into halo. See like this: CH3, CH, CH3, COOH. This is carboxylic acid. That in the presence of borodine means AgNO3, and is followed by Br2 in the presence of CCl4. Br2 in the presence of followed by CCl4. This carboxylic acid is directly converted into halo group. Simply like this: CH3, CH, CH3. What happened here? Br. CH3, CH, Br. Now one more equation. See like this: C6H5, CH2, COOH, like this. So in the presence of Borodin-Hunsaker reaction means in the presence of AgNO3, but you have to followed by Cl2. Okay, to get like this compound is formed: C6H5, CH2, Cl. That means what is carboxylic acid? This carboxylic acid is directly converted into halo. Carboxylic acid is directly converted into halo. That are called Borodin-Hunsaker reaction. So that are called Borodin-Hunsaker reaction. So simply carboxylic acid is directly converted into halo form. So this carboxylic acid directly converted to halo form. These are converted into halo form. Next, one more equation for this one. So what is next equation? When benzene like that compound, that means cyclic compound, that is benzoic like that. So to get what happen, where carboxylic acid is there, to get directly converted into halo form is formed. So simply what is the Borodin-Hunsaker reaction? When silver salts of acid that react to X2 in the presence of Cl2 or Br2 to get halo form is formed. For example, one more equation. This is carboxylic acid. Now this is carboxylic acid. In the presence of AgNO3, but here Br2. To get where carboxylic acid is there, that are directly converted into Br. The next one, in case this AgNO3 is followed by I2, that means AgNO3 is followed by I2 to get ester is formed. This AgNO3 is followed by I2 to get ester. These ester equations are called Simononi. This ester formation are called Simononi equation. Now what happened this one? For example, this one RCOOH that react to AgNO3, which react to AgNO3, but here followed by I2 to get ester. That ester formula is what happened? Ester to get RC double bond OR. These equations are called Simononi equation. But in the presence of this carboxylic acid in the presence of lead estate, PbOAc taken 4, is followed by I2 to get directly converted into iodine only. But in the presence of AgNO3 is followed by I2 to get ester. but lead estates in the followed by I2 to get directly converted into I2. So, this Simononi equation is very important equation. This is what happened Borodin and sticker reactions. What is the meaning of this Borodin and sticker reaction? Silver salts of acid, silver salts of acid, silver salts of carboxylic acid that react to H2 in the presence that H2 nothing but Cl2 or Br2 in the presence of carbon tetrachloride to get alkyl halide is formed. So, simply where carboxylic acid is there, that carboxylic acid is directly converted into halo. Carboxylic acid is directly converted into halo. Carboxylic acid is directly converted into halo, but silver nitrate is there is followed by I2 to get ester is formed. Carboxylic acid in the presence of silver nitrate to get ester. This type of equations are called Simononi equation, but carboxylic acid in the presence of lead estate and I2 to get alkyl iodide is formed. This is what happened methods of preparation of alkyl halide. The next class we discuss chemical properties to be continue on next class. Okay, thank you very much.